Hi, I'm Tony Fowler with Rooftech Consulting and Construction. We believe in being more than roofing contractors. We're roofing designers with a background in engineering and over a decade in the roofing industry. From the initial handshake to the final farewell, our consultants work with you every step of the way to provide perfect customer satisfaction and to give you a roof system that will last for years. Whether you need a new roof replacement, updating siding, or gutters, all of the above, Rooftech is here to make it happen for you. Contact us today to find out what we can do for your home.